Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get Brawl Stars on your PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which essentially creates a virtual Android device on your computer. Popular choices include BlueStacks, Nox Player, and LD Player, all known for their reliability and performance. These tools allow you to run mobile applications seamlessly on a larger screen, offering a much improved gaming experience. We will walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can enjoy Brawl Stars with ease. Once you have chosen your preferred emulator, the next step is to download and install it. Visit the official website of your chosen emulator, like bluestacks.com, and click the download button. After the download completes, run the installer file. Follow the on-screen prompts, accepting the terms and conditions. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements, typically at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor, for optimal performance during installation and gameplay. With your emulator successfully installed and launched, you are now ready to get Brawl Stars. Open the Google Play Store within the emulator, which functions just like it does on an Android phone. You will need to sign in with your Google account to access the store. Once logged in, use the search bar to find Brawl Stars and click the Install button. The game will download and install directly into your emulator, preparing you for action. Finally, to enhance your gaming experience, consider optimizing your emulator settings. You can adjust resolution, frame rate, and allocate more CPU cores or RAM, perhaps up to 8 GB for smoother gameplay. Crucially, set up custom key mappings to assign keyboard keys to on-screen controls, giving you precise command over your brawlers. Now, launch Brawl Stars from the emulator's home screen and dive into the fast-paced battles on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.